Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a weight loss goal tracker, and I'm really excited to do this. I have never done it before, and I actually am going to be using the Squad Goals sticker book because I am working in my Goals planner, and this is going to live there. And I'm really excited. I kind of have an idea and a cadence of how I want to go, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started. If you guys are interested, definitely keep watching, and I am going to be doing a voiceover for this or potentially some music depending on how it goes. So let me know if you enjoy this style of video and I can definitely do more. So I'm starting with some really beautiful rose gold washi, and I'm putting that at the top and bottom of this page. And I'm lying, actually. I put two different washis. I put one that has a beautiful rose gold decorative pattern, and then I'm just pulling in this other kind of light blue washi, and it has rose gold envelopes on it. And I am then going to bring in some letters. So here I'm just flipping through the Happy Planner books to decide what letters I'm going to use. And then I actually decided that I'm going to use this pack of letters that I got here, and they're rose gold, and this thing folded out so much bigger than I expected, and it took so much longer to put these letters on than I expected, but it was really beautiful. I wanted rose gold letters or pink letters or something like that that really tied into the Squad Goals planner. So I was popping these down. I love them. They're like almost like a brush letter type font, but I also found it really difficult to kind of line them up and decide how to put them on the page to make them look really nice. So you can see me being like, where do I put this? Oh, I don't know where it goes. And just kind of going back and forth and really trying to figure out the placement for these letters. And then I'm taking that light blue washi again, sorry, it's kind of cut off a little bit, and then I am popping the word tracker down on the bottom, and I'm just working backwards so that I know where the word is actually going to end. So I find that really helpful when you're doing any kind of lettering, is if it's just along the bottom of something, making sure that you know where it's going to end. So then I'm using my Colorful Boxes sticker book and some letters. I end up using letters from the student sticker book because they have this beautiful kind of tealy green and then a teal green foil to them. And I think that they're really beautiful. So here I am looking for a bunch of different letters. So here they are. And I'm just putting my start weight, again, starting with the middle of the middle letter of the word so that I kind of know where this is going to line up. And then my goal down at the bottom as well. And I find this a lot easier to do with tweezers as well, just because it's a little bit easier for me. Then I'm going to go in with the rest of my colorful boxes, and I mention it later in the video. Oh, I'm not yet actually, sorry. I'm actually going to go in with these sparkles. These are from the new student pack, and I'm just kind of putting them around the goal like they're celebration dots kind of thing, just to make it look like, woohoo, this is exciting and really fun, and I think just makes it look a little bit more fancy. Then I'm going in with my colorful boxes, just using the black boxes, and I'm sticking those down. I have a huge Think Positive sticker book here, quote, and that is from the student sticker book. Then I'm taking a couple of the girls from the Squad Goals sticker book just to really tie into my planner and make it look really fun, but also match the planner. That was kind of my idea because I love how I have the Squad Goals sticker book, I've got the Squad Goals planner, and I'm so excited for July, I can't wait. So I'm just going in and putting some different decorative items on here and making it look really cute and beautiful. Then I'm just taking some of the skinny washi and I'm putting a little border, kind of like follow the line through the page, just to really make it so that you can see where my goals are. So basically, it might seem to you like, okay, you only have 3 boxes, but I'm pretty far into my weight loss journey. I think I mentioned that next. But this just gives me that little motivation for those last couple of steps. All right, so this is my almost completed weight loss tracker, and I am not going to put the weight in there, obviously, because I don't want everybody to know that, but I really love the way that this turned out. I think it's really cute. I am pretty far into my weight loss journey right now, so I know it doesn't look like a lot of milestones, but I have worked really hard to get where I am, so there's not as many milestones, but I have kind of those last 20 pounds basically, so it's like 5, 10, 15, 20, and I want to track them on a tracker and then just really celebrate them every time. And I also have a milestone for each of these, or a treat that I'm going to give myself, so I'm actually going to be putting that on the back, just listing it on, nothing fancy. And yeah, that's that. So I'm just going to pop this back into my planner, and it's just going to go at the very back of my planner here on the front page. So I love this. I think it looks so cute, and I think it's really feminine and fun, and very rose gold, very you know, cute with the Squad Goals planner. So that is my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.